So hi guys, in this video we are going to check how the Fibonacci program is working in Python. Okay, we are going to write a Python program for the concept Fibonacci series. Okay, so first I'm taking a variable called n and I'm getting the input from the user and I'm storing that value to the variable n. Next I'm assigning a variable called a is equal to 0. Then I'm having a variable called b is equal to 1, and then I'm having one more variable called sum is equal to 0, and I'm going to have one more variable called count is equal to 1. So I'm going to have five variables in my program. N is the place where we are going to store the value which we are going to get from the user, and then a b sum count. Okay, so now print Fibonacci series, and I'm using n function here. Next I'm having while loop. While count is less than or equal to 1, because when you do the Fibonacci series it should reach the value which is being entered by the user. Print sum comma end, which means this is the end function will use to leave a space. Okay, now sum. So what is the value of sum now? The 0. So first it will print 0. Then count is equal to count plus 1. What is the value of count? 1. So value of count will be incremented for 1. Okay, count plus 1, that is count is equal to count plus 1. Now value of count will become 2. And then a is equal to b. Value of a is 0. Now once we assign the value of b to a, now value of a will become 1. Now b is equal to sum, which means sum is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Now sum is equal to a plus b. 0 1 plus 0, so it will become 1. Now again it will come, it will print 1. First it printed 0, now it will print 1, then it will add one value. The discount is equal to count plus 1. Previously it was 1, now the count will be 2. Then it will rearrange the values. A is equal to b is equal to sum is equal to a plus b. It will go on like that. Okay, Fibonacci series will add the next values with the previous value. So now let us run this program. So it is asking me to enter the value of n. I'm pressing 5. So the Fibonacci series is 0. First it will print 0. So that is what given here, sum. It will print 0, and then it will print 1, and then it will add these two values. 0 plus 1 is 1. The third value is 1. And then it will add these two values, that is second value and third value. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now it will take third and fourth values. 1 plus 2, it is 3. Now if I have given number 6, it will add these two numbers, that is, so 2 plus 3, it will print 2 plus 3 and 5, and it will take 5 plus 3, it will become 8. It will go on like that. Okay, so Fibonacci series will add the number with the previous number. Okay, so this is how the program works. We'll meet you with the other program. Thank you. Happy learning.